Pretty durable packaging, wouldn't you say, Cupcake?
I'm gonna open it.
I think you got it. And pretty durable packaging. It has to be for something this prized. I did save some money. I did pretty much sell a couple things just to make sure I got some good headers this time. Didn't do that last time. I regret it. Well, I'm doing it right this time. Let's go ahead and lift this foam. Whoa. Nice. I like how they wrapped everything. Ooh. Ooh, nice. Nice midsection here. Look at that. Look how nice and clean that is. This is the midsection. Holy hell, it's going to be a lot longer. It's actually going to eliminate the entire centerpiece, which is great. This is pretty much going to replace all my Alameda exhausts that I have on the bottom, including those mid-length headers that I have that are cracking away. Really looking forward to this. So this is going to be a pretty good, clean install underneath, and this nice piping is going to complement everything really nicely. Now, I know I haven't uploaded in a good while. It's almost been like almost a month, but I've been pretty busy, and it's been a little chaotic this December. But for the most part, I have been working on Panzer, and I have been updating it as I go by day. Luckily, I had the opportunity to have my E55 pin corrected, like I mentioned in my previous video, and I received my MBH headers. And obviously I had installed them already. Now, installing them was pretty straightforward and very, very easy. Well, I wouldn't say easy. It was a bit uncomfortable to do it on the ground, but luckily I had my vehicle elevated, and I created some vehicle stands using 2x4 wood. With that being said, these MBH headers are easy install when it comes to mounting them onto the new studs. Now, I went ahead and got new hardware, new studs, and new gaskets, along with new upstream O2 sensors, and everything was just perfect to a T. And the headers look amazing in person, as you can see in this video here. I am pretty satisfied with my install. I pretty much have everything, all the O2 wires and all the harnesses in their factory locations hooked up, and everything tucked away very, very neatly. I was pretty excited just to record this and share it with you guys. It puts a smile on my face. This is like a job well done in my sense. Now, this is not the end of this procedure. I'm still doing a lot more as far as for the remainder of the exhaust system, and of course refreshing my engine mounts. All right, so pretty much got rid of these polys. I had these installed in 2018 of July, and look at these. My engine deformed the hell out of them. They were still pretty good, and they were still rigid. Regardless, the entire cylinder of this poly is still pretty good, minus the indentions. You can see some of these are not even bothered for the most part. But here's my rebuild, and it comes with an extra thicker poly. This goes right underneath in the center. The other setup did not have that, so this is a little bit of an upgrade, so to speak. You can see it right there. Let me go ahead and bolt this back in, and we're all good to go. Now, along with the header install and rebuilding my East Coast Euro motor mounts, I also did a secondary air injection delete on my E55, and it cleaned up the front end of the supercharger very, very nicely. I got rid of some equipment, and I got to put on these very nice East Coast Euros secondary air injection block-off plates, as you see here. Now, along with those goodies and those upgrades, I've also updated my side mirrors with the newer E63 folding mirrors, and not just any folding mirrors, these are power folding. I am going to be making a video on this one as far as details to help you guys in modding your E55. Now, these are not a cheap option unless you find a used pair. These are brand new sets of aftermarket E63 power folding side mirrors. Each side costs around 140. It's got to get them painted. That's the only downside to that. So add that into cost as well. That will be in a video coming up either before Christmas or after New Year's. I'm not too sure on time. Again, my vehicle is at a friend's house. Working in this garage has sped things up. Right now, my main process is finishing this exhaust system at least to a key, and then having the remainder of the exhaust system, the back end, removed, and then putting in a new X pipe, finishing off the remainder of the piping in the rear, getting some T304 stainless steel mufflers put in with some brand new tips. As far as for the exhaust tips, I'm not too sure what style I want to go with. I am looking towards the C63 style, the kind of like the squared style. I am just doing some measurements and just trying to get a visual on what I would want to do. But other than that, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with this little project. There's a lot more going into Panzer as far as some other goodies from DTK. I am excited, I am motivated, and it's thanks to you guys, thanks to pretty much everyone that's helped me to build this car what it is today. Like, subscribe if you guys pretty much enjoy this content. Be sure to follow my Instagram on Panzer _W211. I pretty much most of my updates are posted there, and they're pretty much posted before anything is posted here on my YouTube channel. Again, this YouTube channel is more or less of a hobby, and it's a good platform for me to share and record pretty much my experiences with the C55 and give you guys some content to kind of help you guys mod or make some changes or pretty much find resources to do it yourself. Other than that, you guys take it easy, and I hope you guys have a good holidays and a good New Year's. Stay safe, everybody.